Hello, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create free website and publish it. The platform that I recommend you use is none other than Wix.com. The reason why I recommend Wix Website Builder is because it is beginner friendly, easy to use, and they provide you with the templates or tools that you need to create a professional looking website even as a complete beginner. So you're going to go onto Wix.com, and from there you can sign up using your email address. Once you have signed up, I want you to tap on Build with Wix Editor right here. After selecting Build with Wix Editor, you'll be redirected to a new page. You have two options. You could either tap on Start Chat, and from there you'll be able to create a website using the Wix AI feature, but I would recommend that you tap on Set Up Without Chat. After selecting Setup Without Chat, you can select the search bar and you can type in whatever type of website you want to create. So whether you're creating a personal website that you want a portfolio for, or whether you're creating a business website, better yet, you can type in the type of business and they will provide you with the different options that you can go into subcategories or so on and select it. So let's say I wanted to create a personal travel blog. I could select that option, then tap on Continue. After selecting Continue, you'll be redirected to your dashboard. On your Wix dashboard, you'll be able to give your website a name. So I can call this my test site. So I'm going to type in test site right there. After doing that, you're going to tap on Continue. Then from here, you can choose your site goals. Whether you are doing this to sell products, collect leads, share knowledge, offer services, or so on. You can select any one of those options. Then you can see the different apps that you can add. So I'm going to be adding the blog app. I'll also add the Instagram feed app, which should allow me to display my Instagram posts. If it is a case that I wanted to collect payment or so on, I could select the forms. You can also display your portfolio by selecting portfolio. You can also use your Wix website to collect bookings, sell tickets, sell videos. So many options are there when it comes on to Wix. Once you have selected the ads or apps that you would like to add, better yet, you are going to tap on Continue, then select Continue to Dashboard. Once you're on your dashboard, as you can see right here, you're going to tap on Design Site in the top right hand corner. After selecting Design Site, you're going to tap on Pick a Template. From here, you can see the numerous themes that you have at your disposal. So you can select whichever one of these themes you would like to use. So let's say, for example, this one. You're going to tap on Edit. Then you'll give it a few seconds while your website is being composed in the background. Once the website is up and running, I'll be showing you how to quickly customize your website to your liking. If you would like the Wix AI to compose articles for you, you could tap on the box and you could type in some information. Typically, I would simply close the pop-up, then tap on the plus 50% in the top right hand corner. Now this is how our website looks at the moment. To start making changes, all you'll need to do is hover over the section you'd like to edit with your mouse cursor. So if you would like to change the text, we could select the text in the top left hand corner, then select Edit Text. And from there, I could type in, for example, simple answers. I could do that right here. I can also change the font style and font color from this section. There are numerous editing options that you have. And if it is a case that you would like to change the background, you can do that by simply selecting the entire column. You could tap on Change Background and you could change the background. You can also edit the images by selecting the current image that is there. After selecting the current image, you could tap on Change Background. After selecting Change Background, you will tap on Image, and from there you could upload your image or you could upload a video. You can change the text section once more by selecting the text. You could change the text right here, and you can also see that this is a blog article. You can tap on Manage Posts and then you'll be redirected to your dashboard, and from there you'll be able to create your first blog post. So you could tap on Create New Post. After selecting Create New Post, from here you could add in your post title and you can also add the content. Keep in mind with Wix, there are numerous AI features that you get access to on their free plan. So you can either go over to the left hand menu option and select AI tools, and from there you could use it to create a blog post, title, outline, create images or meta tags, or you could use some of their suggested articles right here. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on publish in the top right hand corner. Now that you have done that, you can scroll down and you can continue editing your website. To view all the pages on your website, you're going to tap on the third icon in the top left hand corner, which is pages and menu. And then from there, you can see all of the pages. If you would like to add a new page, you will tap on add page. Then from there, you can see the different pages that you can add. So you can also add a store, booking, restaurants, more blog pages, general, or so on. Or you can choose to just add a blank page. Once you're finished, if it is a case that you would like to add elements that you don't see, so let's say for example's sake, I would like to add a button right here. I could go over to the left hand menu option, tap on add elements, then from there I could hover over button, and by the way, you can see the numerous elements that you can also add. Once you have found the element that you would like to add, so let's say for example I would like to add the PayPal button, I could hover over PayPal, then I'll just drag and place the button right here. After you have done that, you could set up your PayPal information so persons will be able to pay you via PayPal. Now to publish it, you'll tap on publish in the top right hand corner. Then you're going to tap on done, and you can see you can also edit the mobile site by tapping on edit mobile site, so that will make it even more mobile friendly. Now that you have done that, if we were to tap on preview, you can see how your website looks. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.